It is a sunshiny day today, and I don't know what hit in this household, but my husband and myself kind of got into a spring cleaning frenzy today, and you're going to see him do some work. I'm still removing the party stuff out of my house because we threw my husband a big 51st birthday party, and it just, whenever it's such a good time and your friends come together, it's sad to see the balloons and the banners and all that go down. And so I'm finally getting the rest of it taken down and thrown away, and it's time to start fresh and anew. And here in a minute, you're going to see my husband. There he is. He is using the wonderful cleaner that I use all the time on all my wood furnishings that I showed you when I did my kitchen table in yesterday's video. And he's doing all of the banisters and also the coffee table today. He loves to do this for me. He does this about every couple months. It keeps the banisters and everything really shiny, really clean, and it just looks super, super nice. And when a husband wants to do something, ladies, you do not stop him from doing it, because it's one less thing that you will have to worry about. So anything or any way that he can help me, he wants to do it. And so I love it when he does these banisters, because they look really, really nice and sparkly whenever he gets done. Now that my staircase is all nice and shiny, he is going to put a good shine on my coffee table. This coffee table actually takes about 4 people to carry this in to my house. It was a birthday present from my husband. It is secondhand from his parents, but they had it in a house that they owned, and I seen it and I said, oh, I would love to have that. Anyways, he said, why don't you guys get some help, get that coffee table and bring it here for her birthday. And I walked in after going out on, birthday shopping, and here it was in the middle of my living room, and I love it. It is really massive and substantial. Now that my coffee table is put back together, I am removing all the cushions off of my couch, and I'm going to take off the main cover. I love this couch. It's all washable. It comes from IKEA. I mentioned it a million times, but it is the best couch in the world because this cover just comes right off and you just slip it right into the washing machine. So I am using a Shout stain stick because it got dirty because of me, because I drink my coffee on one side of the couch and I drip, and it's me. I'm the bad person. I'm using some lavender scented Purex laundry soap with some Gain crystals, and that'll get it all shined up and anew. When I get ready to put it on, you'll see that it'll be nice and fresh. Now it's on to some folding laundry for me, which seems to be a daily task, but because we're going into a new week, This is all of our gym gear. So now I have decided to clean out my Keurig / coffee pot with some white vinegar. It has been a while since I've done this and it's acting up, so I'm assuming that this will fix the problem. And I'm finally going to take my giant snowflakes down. I have had them up for a while. I keep saying I'm going to take them down, but I hate to see them go because I really like them. I think they're very pretty. And my mom and I made them together, and yeah, but it's time for them to go, and so I'm going to take those down. I just got my couch cover out of the dryer. This is my last task of the day, is putting this back together. Ron and I got a lot done today, and the house is nice and clean for starting tomorrow is Monday. And so I got the couch cover on, and I love the way this couch cover goes on. It goes on really easily, and it always washes perfectly. The coffee stains always come out. Praise the Lord. It is my fault that they're there, but they do come out. But I do want to say thank you so much for watching Heidi's Home. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. There's going to be a lot of videos coming your way. And I hope you all have enjoyed seeing me clean today and Ron helping me out. This is just a typical day for us. And thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful week. Bye-bye, guys.